Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create quick camera shake effect in Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Premiere Pro and select any clip. So I'm going to add the camera shake effect in this clip. So the first step you simply need to click the right mouse cursor here and click on new item and click on adjustment layer. Click on OK and add adjustment layer onto the timeline. Okay, once I add it, so the next step you simply need to go on to the effects tab. Here you need to search for the directional blur, hold that and add that onto the adjustment layer. Then you simply need to scroll down here and you need to change blur length to 30. Okay, after that you need to come to the start of the adjustment layer and you need to add cut after each frame. You need to click on C to have the razor, create cut after each frame. Okay, so I think it's enough. Then you simply need to delete the rest of the adjustment layer. After that you need to delete the each frame one after. Here you can see. So I think this one is okay. And here you can see camera shake effect. So let's suppose I want to multiply this. So you simply need to hold this, click on Alt and copy that. Let me copy that again. Okay, so here you can see that. Let me show you again. So this is the process by which you can create camera shake effect in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.